Alright, let's go. Alright. 2004. So here we go. This is a Crane Galaxy. Yeah, this is a Crane Galaxy. I don't know what kind of Crane Galaxy toilet this is. It's rather the second, or it's further the first gen. Or I don't know how many gens or Crane Galaxy toilets are there. I'm gonna ask the toilet POV. Maybe he knows. Maybe he knows how many gens of these toilets are. Probably 5, I don't know. Alright, let's put the Tangler back on. So yeah, let's go. Alright, and that's all it for the video, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Alright, let's do this, so yeah.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words. Slurring on